introduce themselves rather and the charity that they're eating for today. Would you guys like some bibs? You need to protect your beautiful clothes today. Leslie is gonna.
You got one here like you did?
Oh man, Leslie, did we make any extra pies? I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. Did you bring your own pie by chance?
I sure did.
Oh, no you didn't. All right, we're going to get some bibs. While they are dispersing the bibs, we're going to allow these men to introduce themselves. Now, if you're not familiar with our charity pie eating contest, the charity part is tacked on there for a reason. These guys are eating for a donation to the charity of their choice. So the winner, Leslie, can you tell me the winner this year receives a $300 donation to whatever charity that they choose. And these guys are always so awesome about choosing local charities, and a lot of our fundraising dollars stay local that way. So go ahead and tell us what your name is and what charity you're eating for.
Ben Kyle, 18 for Life.
Awesome, very wonderful. Give Ben a round of applause, guys. Thank you for showing up with hopefully an empty stomach.
Weston Comstock, 18 for Life.
Awesome! 18 for Life has two great opportunities there to win a donation today. And sir, this is my dear husband, for those of you that don't know.
Drew Strickland, I'm 18 for Manger Full of Toys.
That's our Christmas toy charity. I'll try not to be too partial there.
John Atkinson, my family's Special Olympics charity.
That's awesome. They donate a lot to Special Olympics and SEMO.
Barry Glick, and I'm eating for a pound.
That's awesome. Wonderful, wonderful. That's a great charity that we've not even seen represented here before. So, yeah, exactly right. Something that we don't think about a lot. Now, Leslie, do we have spoons for these men? The men do not. I'm sorry. It's only the women are going to have the opportunity to have some eating utensils. Guys, I encourage you to look at your hands. Those are your eating utensils today. All right? Your mother always told you not to eat with your hands or play with your food. I hope you've got grace out of the way, boys, because it is time. Here we go. At the sound of, do we have an air horn this year? Take your lids off. Everybody get your lids off. We want this to be fair. Now, fellas, it's anyone's game at this point. These pies all weigh the same. Who made these pies this year? Amy and Lori and Brianna. Give those girls a round of applause. I wouldn't want to make all those pies. Is everybody ready? All right, guys, you have water in front of you in case you need it.
On your mark, at the sound of the air horn. On the sound of the air horn, on your mark. She's going to play some music. There's a brief intermission. We're just waiting on these other people to come up, you know, if they want to see the fighting contest.
Where's his sleeves up there, man?
You got Lily. You what? I don't think it is. This? This is your last one. Vincent!
Do